Every modern power plant begins with data. Thousands of industrial sensors are installed on turbines, boilers, generator, and pipelines. These sensors continuously measures temperature, pressure, vibration, voltage, current, and flow in real time. All sensor data is sent to the control room through SCADA or DCS systems. Operator monitor live plant condition while AI system quietly process the same data in the background. Behind the scene, powerful industrial server handle massive data streams. AI model analyze this information continuously, learning what normal operation look like and identify even the smallest deviation. AI also improve efficiency by analyzing generator performance, heat losses and fuel consumption. AI recommend optimal operation points that reduce fuel use while maintaining stable output. Grid coordination is another critical role. AI assists operator by monitoring voltage, frequency, and reactive power, helping maintain balance between generation and demand. Even with advanced intelligence, final control always remain with human operator. AI act as a decision support system, making power plants safer, more efficient, and more reliable. Thanks for watching.